third semester, correct? All right. Testing. I hope it's live right now. Okay, I think it's live right now. Hello,
Yes,
everyone. My
yes.
name is Rendia, and here's my friend Adil. Right now we kind of want to continue our last live session. So basically, I'm still the host, and Adil will be the guest. So we continue our session about uh Fasilkom UI course tier list. So
All
let
right.
okay, right now let
Let's
Adil continue
continue.
about this. Let's
Okay.
go. What do I have to
So
see?
last time we talked about this programming based on platform,
Yeah, I
and
remember.
it is in the third semester. So
Correct.
for this session, we are going to go for the fourth semester,
I
and
see.
it starts with probability and statistic.
I see.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right. It
What's
is
your opinion?
okay. So for this one, actually, well, you know what? Um, honestly, let me write it first. For
Did
probability and statistic course, I think I found a better a better way to calculate probability, and it is,
better way?
yeah, it is
Mm,
more fun than
mm,
what I've been taught in in class, in that class, like,
mm.
for example, wait, prop stat prop, like, for example, if there is like, you know we usually just doing calculation, right, in probability statistic, like straight to the calculation. Maybe there are some formula, right, like this one, and then this
Mm-hmm.
one,
I
yeah,
remember. Mm-hmm.
and I don't know, I forget. But actually, it can be more intuitive, when you teach students with this framework of thinking. So I mean, this is probability of A even, and this is probability of B even. And if the probability of A maybe, like, by the way, this will be negation, B negation, and then this one will be
Mm-hmm.
B negation. And then if you want to, you know like, the probability of A and B happen, then you're going to calculate this one, right?
Mm.
Wait. No, no, not this one. This one.
Not that one. Yeah,
Yeah,
the
this
big
one,
part.
right?
Mm.
Yeah, and this whole framework is very, very useful. If you want to make statistic and probability becomes more intuitive. And
Mm.
three blue, one brown, three blue, one
Ah, the
brown,
YouTube channel. Mm.
or brilliant.org. Yeah, or use this framework. Beside
Ah,
these three, beside these two, nobody use this framework. And yeah, back then I was struggling with probability statistic and probability course, and
mm.
I seriously have no idea what
Oh yeah.
I'm
Really.
yeah, especially for the, after midterm, the
Mm.
post midterm, yeah, I mean, post midterm phase period. It was like I have no idea at all. I am only doing the homework,
Mm.
but I seriously, it is. I actually took this course in my second semester, and it
Ah,
was it
wait.
was
Does it like with upperclassmen or just with
Yeah,
you?
with upperclassmen, of course. And and
Okay,
and then it was the start of
great.
coronavirus, right?
All
In
right,
Yeah,
this
and
okay.
in
Okay, wait, wait, hold on. This is I know we live right now, and I will say I won't say it like in the detail, but do you involve at the do you inside the class that have the whole fiasco in there, like the whole fiasco 60%,
what fiasco, man? I don't know fiasco.
like some guy found out that they are
Cheating.
and cheat, yeah, and then the whole like midterm is going to be cancelled, and then all the points and errors is going to be more on the uh uh and the term semester yeah,
Well,
exam.
actually,
You involved in that class?
n- no, I don't think
Oh,
it
okay,
is
okay,
online
okay.
class, right? How should
Yeah,
I?
it is online class,
I mean, then we do the midterm exam in online, right?
and then some guy cheat, and then
And then, oh, I see.
yeah.
Actually, I don't
So
know at all.
okay, okay. You probably doesn't even. I am. I remember I don't pick the start verb until my fifth semester,
Oh,
not
fifth
fourth.
semester.
So I don't. I
Well,
remember that in fourth semester they are. I don't know. I'm not exactly remember in four and five, but uh, I know previous on my previous semester the start verb was kind of what was kind of have this whole things going on. So yeah, so I don't remember exactly remember, so I want to ask you about Adil, who perhaps you are in that class or not, I guess, but
no, no,
seems that you are not.
no.
Okay,
But
continue again.
actually, I got accused for cheating.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, and I got
holy shit. Okay.
I got sued by I got sued by the lecturer. What is sidang in Indonesia in English? Court,
uh Court, not
court,
court, well, I don't remember, perhaps.
defense, I guess.
Yeah, yeah,
Defense.
probably in defense right now, yeah,
Yeah,
probably defense
actually,
was
I have like court.
course
I don't know. Yeah,
yeah,
course
yeah,
defense,
yeah.
and it is in the end of the
They,
semester.
mhm,
And I got an email from my lecturer that I got accused from cheating. And
okay.
of course I got panic back then, and I said,
Mm.
yeah, yeah, I'm going to fight for it, fight
Defend.
for my.
Mm.
Of course, I'm not. I don't.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah. You defend for your
yeah,
innocence,
I
right?
defend
Like,
for my nonsense. And then, you know, I have a Zoom meeting with the like with the lecturers.
uh,
And and then they said to me like, hey, solve this problem. It is about Bayesian problem.
okay, yeah.
And
So you
then,
solve it.
yeah, and then I have no idea how to solve it.
Oh
It is
God,
I
okay.
don't know.
That
And I got panic again since I don't have any idea what is it about. And then the teacher, the lecturer, uh, like got mad at me, and I was like, oh my God. Of course, I'm not cheating, all right. I'm a
all
nonsense.
right, all right.
I'm not cheating at all. And then, since I have no idea how to solve it, the lecturer was like uh more mm, more
Suspicious,
yeah, more suspicious to me.
more sus.
Yeah.
This is the
And
imposter,
then
right?
uh and with their help, I can solve it. Okay. And then they give me tips like how to do it, how to do this, how to do that, and
Oh, okay.
finally I can do it. And then they go straight to the
The
idea of
matter.
why I'm accused of cheating. And it
Mm,
turns out that I write the formula first. you know I write
Okay.
the form, so I mean there is a problem, in midterm exam,
Uh-huh.
like the maybe number two, I guess, and this
Yeah.
is Bayesian problem. And
Mm.
then people usually was like number two, and then what knowns, and then
Okay.
yeah,
Known what ask and what
yeah,
how to solve it, right? Okay.
yeah, condition, like condition, and then uh, problem,
Yeah.
and answer, right, and answer,
Answer. Like
uh
the basic. This
and
is the
answer,
framework that we use.
there will be like formula,
Yeah,
and
etc.
then end with the result. But for me, I literally put the formula in here, formula first.
Oh.
uh,
Oh. All right.
yeah,
Well,
and then it turns out that out of everybody in the course, like 300
do
or
it like you.
200 people, I'm the only one who writes it in the first.
Oh.
And they got suspicious because of that. And
I see.
they said like, hey, nobody doing it, nobody doing it but you. Of course we are suspicious, right? You ask for the formula first, and then you go for condition, problem, and answer. And then I was
Mm,
like, oh, no, no, I got panic, and I'm afraid that I forgot about the formula and so on. And then in the end, at the end of the day, uh, uh, I was like saying some foul, like, if I got suspicious, then I will have to retake the course again. And yeah,
mm.
it was very,
Nerve
very,
wracking.
yeah, very
Nerve
unforgettable
wracking.
moment. And I kind of I became kind of scared of the lecturer back then, because of this
I
matter,
see.
yeah. And
Well, oh
okay,
man. I mean, it's kind of, yeah, I know it's kind of nerve wracking and basically, I never got accused before, so I don't know what you feel, but yeah, it's supposed to be very nerve wracking. I You see, I have this some story at statistic and probability, like the story of some guy when quizzes they are talking to the friend group in the chat, but accidentally send one of the answer into
seriously,
yeah, it's kind of yeah, there's one guy. There's one guy who stupidly
that's super
it was funny.
stupid, but he got,
Yeah, I mean, right?
I mean, did he
He
got
said, well, he quickly unsent, but already been seen with some
by,
by the lecturer, so he got
oh,
no, he really
yeah, that's super
yeah, it's
silly,
kind of
man. Like,
yeah, it's so
what the
silly, I
hell?
guess.
That's super stupid mistake.
Hmm. Uh, but but I do like so in the final exam I kind of got sick at the day, so I like postponed it in a bit. I did ask the lecturer to postpone it a bit, so she agreed, so yeah, I kind of do it on the next day, but it was fine, I guess. To be
Okay,
honest,
okay,
if
okay.
I
All right,
sorry,
go on, go
but
ahead, go ahead, go
in
ahead.
my experience, SATPROP is it's a fun course, I guess, perhaps because the lecturer, but well, I mean, sure, the content probably needs improvement, like you said before, but overall, I don't think it was bad. It's not bad. It's well, it's pretty good actually. I still distinctly remember much of the contents in there. Like one of them is Bayesian theorem, and the most thing the concept thing that I really remember is the distribution, like uniform distribution and probably density distribution, like uniform distribution, Poisson, Gaussian, and etc. So it was really like a new concept that I learned that really stuck in my head.
Like, that is the post midterm period, right?
Yeah, there is post midterm period.
All right. For
Uh,
the Pasca
yeah,
midterm
after
period,
midterm.
before midterm
Yes.
period, do you like it?
Well, the before is just kind of introductory of theorem like probability, like like the one Bayes theorem is before or after, I don't know.
Before.
Before, right? Like union and like how I don't know, it's called Bayes theorem, yeah, but like the switch up between uh yeah, I think post before the midterm is kind of introductory, since I have learned it on curriculum 2006, I remember in high
All
school,
right. All right.
so it kind of,
All right.
so yeah, I
Yeah.
got it.
To be
So what
honest,
tire is it? Hmm? So
so
okay.
the post midterm part, I really have no idea. I even didn't attend any sessions,
Oh
any
shit, all
any
right,
live
that is
session.
so bad.
I
Well,
seriously just skip it, and I only do homework. And I don't know,
all
man.
right, all right.
I'm going to learn it again maybe, but
Yes, yes.
for that reason, for those reason, I think I can only
Okay, what
put
tire
it
is it?
on B at least.
Okay, that's fair. I
For you?
mean, it's not that yeah, B, high B or low A, but not that. I mean, it's not that
Around
very
there.
good. Mm.
Yeah. All right. So that's fair, right? Let's move on to the
That's
next
fair.
one. Oh, what is this?
Okay, okay.
Language
You
and
see,
automata theory.
I want to hear your opinion first. So what do you think about theory bahasa?
Oh my God. That's I have you know what? It is like I kind of slightly remember it. This was like this one, and then this
Do
one,
you
right?
like it,
At
the
first it is
course?
okay. At first it was like proving, and then start with
Mm.
this, and then start
Yeah,
with
yeah. The G
pull
flaps, the
stack. I don't
finite
know.
system,
Yeah,
finite
and
state systems. Yeah.
to be honest, it was fun. All right, it was
Mm.
fun for this, but when it comes to non-deterministic parts, it was
Okay.
like super hard, man. Like I have no idea how to solve a problem with
Oh.
non-deterministic parts.
Mm.
And I think no I think I didn't found any tutorial for it, and I'm quite stupid back then that I tried my best to understand it without asking people, without asking smart students on how to solve it. That's my
Mm.
mistake. Yeah.
All right. Okay.
So I found it quite quite fuzzy in my
Difficult.
eyes, because many
Mm.
problems I have no idea how to solve it, and until now I have no idea how to solve it. That's it.
Mm.
So how about you?
Okay. How for me it was really fun. I mean, this is the type of the type of learning that I really really like. So I really remember what is the concept idea in their course. So you learn about finite state machine, and then up a little bit, you have some kind of stack with which can use for PDA, and then
Oh
you
yeah,
up a stack
PDA.
again, and you have a stack again, and so for grammar, non context free language, and context well, non context free language, and the last part is
Turing machine.
regular, not, yeah, the Turing machine is for basically for enumerable language. Yeah, I mean, it's for me it's pretty fun because we can prove something in there. So I think you are correct, the part where you really really need to have friends in there so you can ask other people. I regularly ask my teacher assistants for that, but it was fun. I mean, it's really really a good, like,
Wait,
mental
uh,
exercise.
for every problem in your in the homework, Did you finish it?
Yeah,
Did you finish them every
of
every?
course, every single one.
Oh my God, you got 100. Yeah. I mean, you finish it. You pass
Well,
all the test
uh,
cases.
yes, I pass all the test
Oh
cases,
my
and
God, that's very great,
I
Ren.
use and usually there are some kind of bonus, right? So every time that I have some kind of mistake like 90, I put my bonuses in the 90, so it will up to 100 again or so.
Oh,
So it's kind
seriously,
of like that.
you even finish the
Yes.
bonus?
Yeah, I mean I mean it's kind of quick, like it's like a playing. I mean, it's kind of playing with a toy. Like, it's kind of cool. The G flap,
Yeah,
the
I know
final
G
step
Flap.
machine to play. Yeah,
Oh
it's
my
kind of
God.
fun.
Yeah, for the Turing machine, I still can do it. That's like
Mm.
whole long of long thing,
Yeah, yeah. The Turing
Turing
machine
machine.
is very. It's kind of tedious, yes.
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, it's kind of tedious. But I mean, there are some. I guess it could be not said for everyone that it was fun, but yeah, you should always try to ask someone else that are smarter than you, or maybe perhaps your teacher assistants for that. Yes, I think that's necessary.
I
So
see.
okay,
Who is your teaching assistant? Can I know?
is is Andre, if you know?
What? Andre? Andre, my
Yeah,
in my
yeah.
in my.
I was late in there because
Oh, I
my
see.
mm,
Oh my God, I never thought Yeah, I know. I remember that he's he was
the teaching
excited
assistant.
in this course. And
Yeah,
oh my God, yeah, that's my mistake.
and the set.
I tried so
Mm.
hard. Actually, I should give up like like really
Fun,
often. I should
fun.
give up often.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah,
So
that's
I
right.
use you super.
Don't
You know,
try so hard.
I met my teacher assistant because we are in the same course in differential equation. So yeah, it's kind of luckily
Wait, wait,
we
wait.
met
When did you take this course?
in the um
Wait, wait, wait.
seventh semester, I guess, and not semester six, not seventh,
Oh yeah, NLP
or
language
six
is
actually
NLP is need
is
requires this one, right?
yeah,
So
correct.
it should be in your eighth or seventh,
Six, no, not eight, seven, or six. Yeah,
sixth
perhaps I
or
don't remember.
sixth. I see sixth. I see. I
I
see.
I don't really remember about that, but surely it was with Andre. I remember.
Oh, I see. Well,
Mm,
luckily for you, I guess, since I have,
okay.
since I was having a really hard time solving a problem, I remember that I, me and my friend actually like I have no idea, man. Like
No
I
idea.
also just copy paste someone else
All right, all right.
homework, like just copy paste it and boom, it is done.
Yeah, yeah. Since the answer is always in the file, right? I don't remember exactly what kind of file, but you just push it into the test case and you're done. Mm. So
Yeah, and I also
back to this.
remember that in the
Hmm?
this course is use this Discord, right, for
Yeah, yeah, I remember.
for Discord, right?
For
And then
asking.
I remember someone's status is like oh God, please let me pass TBA,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
like
yeah. I
that one. Oh
remember.
my God, that's I'm literally relatable with him, since I seriously want to. I thought that I'm going to fail this course, since in midterm and
Oh,
in uh end
really?
term in end term exam, I have no idea what am I doing. Like so many fault in there. So yeah, it was. Ren, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Good.
I can hear you.
Yeah.
So what
So
I is
so, so
I will just
tire
make
for the tire. I don't know, man. Actually, I'm still
what do you choose for yourself?
for the concept. Okay, for the concept parts, I think I still have no any relatable um explanation of the no, no, no. I still have no relatable um like so
Not so
what
good as
we have Turing machine, so what, right? We have
okay. So
finished state machine, so what, we cannot,
so what?
can we use it for something? I mean, like, can we prove a problems that ordinary algorithm can solve? I've still no
Hmm.
I have no implication for those ideas. So
I see.
do you got any idea, like like s-
Well, if you are in NLP, you use it quite a lot.
oh really?
Yeah.
Oh
So so if you're talking about language, you do use it. Or maybe if you are in perhaps in like kind of want to make a breakthrough in algorithm, like you found a sorting, like for example, you found a sorting algorithm that let's say beyond n log n, like kind of like that, you do need a basic at least in uh automata theory, I guess.
oh, I
But
see.
if you just use it for like say implementation in some kind of industry, then you should you might not need for it.
Yeah, I know. It's for theoretical, right? So
Yeah.
I see. So um, yeah, I don't remember being thoughts about any implication of the concept, and
Hmm.
so I just for the you know I,
For that,
I seriously
how about
cannot put it on B, so just C for me,
okay,
I guess.
C. All right,
Uh,
that's fair. I mean, not everybody need to use it. It's not for what is it? Well, I mean, in terms of usability, it's for specific kind of people, correct?
yeah,
Yeah, so it's kind of like that. It's not like uh programming programming like foundation which everybody should learn it in our course, like so yeah, I
guys.
mean it's kind of
How about you? Will you put it on S
no probably A or
or
B,
A?
but yeah. And do you check your WhatsApp perhaps? I made a meme about it before, so it's
Wait,
kind of
WhatsApp? WhatsApp?
yeah, just yeah, yeah.
Man,
Hey, did
I'm
I say
going
it?
to stop shares.
Okay, no, okay, okay. Don't do it. Just check it after it. I made a memes in their Discord and I sent it to them. So
And
yeah.
everybody
Wait,
got
how about
entertained.
yes, it's kind of fun actually.
Oh, I see. Maybe you
Hold
just
on.
share
How
it in
about
here,
that?
you can share it in here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can you send the
Oh, you
what while you're preparing the it?
wait,
I
wait,
kind of
wait.
forgot
Can
the
edit,
link.
copy link. Right here. I have
All
sent it.
right. Okay, hold on. Feeling. Okay. Just focus on the next part. While I want to send this. While I'm going to send this to you.
I don't think
Okay.
it
After
is.
that,
It won't be fun anymore, if we talk about
it's okay. It's
this
okay.
one.
I next one is what is it?
Uh, database.
Okay, database. Okay.
Okay, database. Database is very relatable, of course. It's like very practical.
Yes.
It's like coding.
Correct.
It's like coding. But you know
Uh-huh.
what? I don't really like the the task when we
The,
have to make
the,
uh the ERD diagram.
yeah. Yeah. I
It is
don't.
very subjective. Like, I made it like this. It is my idea, and you cannot judge it. You cannot judge that it is
Mhm.
false. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, and I seriously got really bad score in ERD diagram. I have,
Oh.
yeah, and it is kind of sucks with it since it is subjective.
Hmm.
And you know what? Fourth semester is one of the hardest period for me.
Yeah. I agree.
And
Okay. Is there
so
any more?
back then, I think I'm not, I wasn't doing, I wasn't learned uh database seriously. And
I see.
especially after the midterm period. It was it was so fuzzy for me, learning about trigger, index,
Yeah,
normalization,
yeah.
and so on.
Ah,
I
yeah.
have no idea what is it about until now. So I even have a conflict with the teaching assistant. Oh my god. I have conflict with the teaching assistant. Ren, Ren. Oh my god. Ren. Oh, I guess he is away. Ren. All right, guys. It turns out that Randy has a problem with his connection. I'm going to check his. Uh, all right. All right. All right. Let's wait for him. It turns out that yeah, he got he is trying to come here again.
All right, sorry, but I think I know why I got disconnected. But
All
you
right.
can
All right.
continue. You can continue.
We
This
shall
probably,
continue.
yeah, I should continue. I probably know why I got disconnected, so it won't happen anymore. Okay.
Uh, I hope everything is going fine. All right.
All right.
Can
All
you
right.
see my screen right now?
Hold on. Not yet.
Yeah, I know. It's yeah. All right. I
Uh,
don't know why. Um, if I screen, all right. How about now? It should be working now. Wait a minute. It hasn't working. Can you see it now?
no, not yet.
All right. Maybe I should refresh it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So it is your screen share is loading here. There's
Yeah.
a word like that.
Mm. Okay,
So it is just loading. So,
for okay, for a second there, I apologize to everyone watching this. This is we have some connection problem here. So let's make sure this set up properly first. So yeah, it's still loading for me.
yeah, I know, but I don't understand. Why is it still loading? Maybe I should
Can you the unshare and share again, like refresh
yeah, I
and
have
like again?
tried that.
All right.
Wait. Maybe let me test my
Yeah.
second screen. Can you
Okay.
see my second screen? Oh
I could
no.
not share. Look, for my perspective, you haven't unshare yet.
Okay. Can you please try share screen in your side?
Okay. Hold on. Mm, can you see it?
No, I can't see it.
Okay. This is bad.
What
Okay.
happens
How
to
about
Zoom? Zoom, what happened, Zoom?
yeah? Your share screen is still loading. I guess. What
Yeah,
happened?
share screen is loading. All right. What happens here? Still cannot do,
Mm,
right? Okay, still
yeah, yeah,
loading, still loading.
yeah. It's still loading. Okay,
Why?
I
Why?
stopped sharing. And do you stop sharing, Adil? I
Yeah, yeah,
haven't.
have stopped sharing.
For me, you still have. Okay, now it's already. Okay. Let's. How about you share screen again? I
Uh,
will stop my video for better connection.
uh, your screen share is loading here. Or maybe we should try using whiteboard. Okay, it is still loading. Okay, let's try whiteboard. Okay, let's try whiteboard. Hope everything will be going well if we are using whiteboard. Okay, it is loading. My whiteboard is loading right now.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. It's fine.
Okay, okay. Now I can. I I almost can see your screen. What
No,
the?
I stop your screen. This is not my screen. This is my.
Okay, okay, okay. I think it can be done right now.
Okay. Okay.
All
I
right.
can
It
see.
is
Okay.
on.
All
It is
right.
on. I don't know what
Good.
happened.
Good. We
I don't
got.
know. No,
We got
back
nervous
then
there.
it fails. Now it is working fine.
All right. All right. I can
All
see.
right. Okay, let's continue.
Let's go. Okay. Bus database, right? Like,
Database. All right.
okay.
Let's make it fast. So I think it is. It will be. It is very practical and it is very useful. Honestly, the concept was quite interesting. It
I
is
guess
A, I guess, for me. For me,
no, for me it's B because I hate the course there. I don't know why. The concept is, yeah, I mean it's practical, yes, but I hate the normalization part. Why we need that? Why is so hard?
uh, I kind of forgot about that. About the normalization. I have no
Like
idea.
why ER? I mean, oh, and also why the ARD is not needlessly complex. I don't think much of the database should be that
Or
complex.
like
So
inheritance, and then like,
yeah, and
oh,
then
yeah,
like why is it like that? I don't know.
yeah,
I
it is the
remember that
diagram.
the
It is
diagram sucks.
diagram.
So complex. You don't have to be that
Yeah,
complex. Okay.
but it's still and yeah, it's still important for me.
Okay,
So
low A perhaps. Okay, next one.
okay, let's move on to interaction
I
system.
wait. Do we have the same course back there? Oh, I
No,
think it's
it
different, right?
becomes
Yeah, it was
obligation course,
yeah
obligate, yeah,
obligation.
primary course. Yeah,
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 yeah.
something like that.
Mm.
For interaction system,
Mm,
it was fun.
yes.
It was fun because everybody in my team is like super carry. Like,
I see.
oh my god, they are carries. And it's very easy. Interaction system was very easy. Like,
Correct.
do you take interaction system course?
I do take that.
You took that, right? You took that
Not as
course.
obligation, but it's really
Yeah, I
for,
also for not for what is uh choice course.
yeah, for as a choice course, yes. Not
Yeah,
choice course.
no,
Yeah,
choice
just
course.
call it choice.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah,
just call it. Yeah, but not primary course, but
yeah,
as a
very easy, right? Like,
it's
I
very
mean,
fun.
very easy, and
Uh,
especially for
my
me.
my group also has been kind on me, so yeah, it was fun. Mm.
Yeah, my group was super carry. Like everybody
Mm.
is front end developer.
Correct, yeah.
I seriously just let them be. What is it again? Interaction system, interaction.
And the presentation and the lecture was nice too. So
Yeah,
it's one thing.
that
Everything too.
he was nice, and I think it was fun.
But
But now, if
mm,
we take a look about the
yeah,
concept, I think it is too overkill. It's like taking too much time. Like,
what
I mean, you start
really?
with pain and whatever it is, and then you start again with a journey, and then you seriously design things at the end of the course, right?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
remember.
but
It's
the rest is like documenting, and actually in startup nobody use it, I mean, it is
oh
too
yeah.
long. Yeah, they just
Oh,
going straight for the prototype, I think, and
true.
they don't using like it was too long. It was too. I think, yeah. So I
Well,
guess for the concept, okay. So it is for the assignments, right? But for the
mm,
concept, actually, it is very very cool.
mm.
Yeah, it is very cool. So
All right.
the assignment is B. No, no, no. It
No,
is
no,
C.
no.
I think for the
What?
assignments, because
All right.
it wasn't really useful. But for the concept, it was A. So it will be B.
No, I think it's A because
Yeah, but I think it is
if
A.
you look, if you put database in A, how you could expect me to agree if inter-system is B? Because I find inter-system more useful than database. I mean, it's just my opinion, but it's kind of weird to be honest for me to yeah.
Yeah,
So
it
it's
is about
A. A.
designing
I just
a very good tools, right? A very good
yes.
tools that's very easy to use.
Mm,
Yeah, I
yeah.
think it is A. But the assignment is, I think,
Yeah,
C.
it's low tire.
Yeah,
To be honest, for me, what I learned from interactive system is that it's not about just designing like a very it's not like just like designing like the the view of a website or application. It's more like how designing how we people will interact in there. So it's not about the look of the or the feel of the website. It's more like how people will use the functionality
yeah,
on that on
yeah.
them.
Human Oh yeah, yeah. No, it
Mm.
should be human computer interaction, like
Right.
Yeah, HCI. Yeah,
So
human
yeah,
computer interaction.
it's kind of makes me it's there's a lot to learn in there. So yeah,
Yeah, yes, I agree,
I
agree. For the concept, it is A.
right.
Yeah,
Next one.
especially if we use like virtual reality, like Oculus, and
Okay, that's
this is seriously the problem,
all
metaverse.
right.
All
Metaverse
right, let's go for the
38.
next one. Oh,
Really.
advanced programming. Oh my God. I think
Advanced
we
program.
are in the same in the same semester, for advanced programming, since I remember
I
that you asked something in the Discord page.
yeah. I
I
think
think we
so.
are in the same semester.
I think so. I
Yeah.
think so. Yeah, it's
It is
also it's
very
sixth semester.
yeah, yeah. Wait, you took it in sixth semester, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I thought
then it was in
perhaps.
the same semester as me.
Okay, all
I
right.
took it on the fourth semester.
I
And
see.
yeah,
Okay.
it was fun. It's like a new whole idea of programming. Like, after you can do programming, you have to make it more maintainable and
True.
readable, and you have to do clean code and to apply design patterns, and it is.
You know, the only thing that I hate on that is we use Java.
Oh my God, why? Actually, Java is quite, you know it's the most relatable, it's the most
Yeah, I mean it's
maintainable.
because OP, right? But I mean, when do you use Java in your stack after you you done your uh advanced programming, if I ask you?
Okay, it was, I guess I never use it anymore.
No, I
Right,
mean,
yeah.
it's for learning. I guess it's cool. For learning. Like OOP is pretty good. And Java is pretty much OOP language. But I just hate how we need to use some kind of uh, what is it like? Yeah, I mean, I hate the website part of making
Oh, you have
Spring
to
Boot.
use Spring Boot.
I just hate the Spring Boot part. When we know Java, I like the programming foundation too, which use Java, but I really hate Spring Boot program because
Oh
it
yeah,
doesn't make
the
sense.
error, the error is
Yeah,
un
yeah, I hate.
The error is like, whoa,
Yeah, I mean it's
whoa.
kind of weird. I mean some people love it because it is maintainable. OOP is really good at it. But there are so much alternative. Like I use React JS all the time, and back to the OOP language, it just doesn't make sense for a website to use OOP language. So yeah,
Yeah, but I
that's
think,
the only.
yeah, I mean, we use this reference book, right? Called, I
Yeah,
forget
yeah,
about and it uses Java to implement
yeah,
it, and that's
yeah.
why
So
Java
weird.
is the language
Mm,
for this course. But to be honest, uh, you know, I, because of that data structure algorithm
mm,
and advanced programming,
mm,
I was, when in my fifth semester,
yeah.
I remember that a lecturer asked the class, what programming language is your favorite, and
Okay.
I type in the chat
Java.
that I prefer to use Java instead of Python,
I see.
because of these two courses, data structure
Nice.
and advanced programming. Yeah. How about you,
Well,
Ren? You
if
Python
it's
for you?
I really like Python. I think I put Python above Java because the extensionality, like we can use many types of library in there. But Java is very logical for me. It is OOP, very logical, and I think I agree with you in there. So it was fine, especially if you are in like making Android application, you do use Java very, very extensive. But
Oh,
I
actually,
am
Flutter, but yeah, Java is
yeah, Flutter, but
Kotlin
Flutter can
actually. Either
Kotlin, yeah,
Kotlin,
yeah, Kotlin
Java,
is the new one.
Swift, or yeah.
Hmm. All right.
So yeah.
The only complaint for me is just the Spring Boot, not Java itself. The Spring Boot one.
Oh, Spring
For
Boot.
others, anything else is fun. It's really the concept are very useful, and then I learned it a lot,
Okay,
and it
okay.
was fun.
I curious, what IDE did you use for doing Spring Boot? What IDE?
Intel
IntelliJ, right?
J. Yeah, yeah, right.
Ultimate.
I don't remember exactly. It
Is that
is,
the
I
the
think
paid version or the free version?
yeah, I don't, I think it's free because I don't pay anything for it. Yeah.
No, actually, if you use students' accounts, you got the paid
Oh yeah,
version.
yeah. Hmm. Perhaps I do use the paid account because I remember someone like I remember Hockey told me about it, but uh
Oh,
I think
you are one group with hockey?
no, but I was friends with Hockey, so I kind of asked him a lot about something else. But
Oh, I see.
uh yeah, I think it was paid one. I remember because I distinctly remember to use.
Oh, I mean,
I don't remember, I guess, but
it is
one for it.
very very ease of use, when using IntelliJ, right?
Yeah.
Like
True.
every
The
every
refactoring, right?
autocomplete, refactoring,
Hmm.
and so on.
True.
Yeah, and it makes, I really love JetBrains because of that.
Yes.
Like I I I put away VS Code and I use JetBrains instead, since advanced programming, because it was too
Oh,
awesome for me.
well, if you use Java, it's pretty much a very cool program. But you see, when I use after I since I don't use Java anymore, I don't really use that JetBrains. I know JetBrains has a lot of programming language like Python,
Yeah.
etc. But I don't use it anymore because I use a lot of many types of programming language. For example, I use JavaScript and Python, etc. It won't make sense to just one IDE, just type down to one language. So yeah,
Okay.
but for that course, yeah, I do use IntelliJ.
All right.
Mm.
So to tire, I think I put it on A for me.
Sure, I'll be fine.
Oh,
The
for
only
you?
thing that yeah, I mean A2 perhaps, maybe B, hike B, but I at least A. Well,
A.
if they don't use Spring Boot, I probably going to put it in S, but no.
Seriously?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's I hate it so much, man. Why is so needlessly complex, man?
I
In
mean,
Spring.
no, no, I don't know what kind of web framework on Java, it besides Spring Boot?
JavaScript.
Besides Spring Boot?
Oh, oh, I mean, no,
No, you said it is
oh, Java, just
Java.
say, okay, okay, all right, I understand. Well, I
Oh,
don't know, but perhaps there are some kind of website application. I don't
I don't
remember.
know. I
Yeah,
haven't. Spring Boot is like Django in Java.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Super many functionalities in there.
Yeah, it's kind of.
All right. Oh my god. Next one
What is it? Next one,
is
numerical
this man.
analysis. I love that course. I
You
don't know.
love that course? I seriously
Yes,
hate this course, man.
you
Like,
hate
oh
that
my
course.
god,
Look,
it was too
look.
hard, man. Too
Oh yeah,
hard, man.
look. I at first I think it was hard, but I asked one of the assistant, teaching assistant, and he said the most useful advice that I ever got in this course.
What?
He said, buy his book, buy our lectures book. Man, after I buy that, I read it. It just makes sense. Every single thing that he talks is based on that book.
Okay, okay. So I guess your teacher is the author of the book, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's not the same in my case.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and it
Wait,
was
the teacher is the same, correct? Our teacher is the same,
no,
right?
no,
Like
no, no,
our
no,
professor, right?
no,
What?
not the my lecturer isn't the author of the book.
What?
And yeah, it was so hard back then. Like, I have no idea at all. Even especially the group assignment.
Oh yeah, I remember.
It was too hard, man. Like, I have no
Man,
idea at all.
I really look. I mean, I seen people hate that course because yeah, because it is hard. They say this was hard. I agree. Sometimes it was hard. I mean, I see the post midterm exam, like the midterm exam. Yeah, it was fun. I mean, I see the result, and all of them less than 20. Yeah,
I
it's
know,
kind of
I know,
cute.
I know. That's super,
Yeah,
super. What the?
I mean,
Oh,
yeah, I mean, I'm not that good either. I got what 43 or something like that.
43?
Yeah, I got 43. Hockey got 51 or 52. I remember.
Wait,
Uh,
scaling, but scaling, right?
yeah.
There was scaling,
After that, there was scaled
and you
to
got
the
80 or 90.
yeah. I got 95 or
Oh
something
my
like that.
god, that's
Yeah.
too overkill, man.
You know,
Too.
I mean, yeah, it's kind of hard, but it's kind of cute when I see some guy got five of 100. Is yeah. So it
I,
was yeah, kind of crazy.
oh my god, Ran, you are really talented, because
No, I'm good with math, but not really good at like database and system. Perhaps I don't really know about the system
oh
like
my
that.
god,
Mm.
numerical analysis is the last thing. Honestly, I got C for this course, and this is the
Oh,
only course that I got C. No, no. And other courses I got more than C. This is the
I
worst
see.
one. Yeah, and I remember,
Okay,
the you know okay, okay. I guess I shouldn't say it, because it is kind of yeah,
private.
I shouldn't say it. So everything was bad. I took it actually in the second semester,
Oh my
and
God. Yeah, that was bad. All
I
right,
I I,
maybe.
I was with my 2017
Mm,
student, and yeah, it was
yeah.
2 years older than me.
No.
And then I got a team that was so bad, like, out of four
Yeah, the team.
people, and including me, two of them away from
Bel.
computer, and
All right.
only two two of us that works for the group assignments, and it was so hard, man.
Ooh,
Like, I have no idea at all. And
that was bad.
even for the
Hmm?
homework, I have no idea how to solve it. Yeah, the
Oh
homework
shit.
was
Okay.
hard, man. People
Hmm.
said, like,
Well, I mean.
I could finish it in
Hmm?
1 hour. I could finish it in 2 hour. But I was like, I do
Oh.
it all day and still have no idea. Yeah.
Well, you see, I got lucky for because of my. No, you see, I'm not really good at it. I perhaps I'm only lucky because I have that book and the teacher is the author of that book, so it's kind of makes sense for me. Reading that book, I still remember the concept in there. It's kind of interesting because the main theme is centers around, instead of searching for exact solution, we try to like try to approximate the solution, correct?
Yeah, yeah,
That's the whole problem going on, right?
yeah,
So the book tell us just what kind of method that we use. For example, Newton approximation, and then yeah, so etc etc. So basically we have matrices and some kind of that.
yeah. Linear
We use
algebra.
linear algebra, and then we use octave. Do you use octave in there?
Yeah, octave. I know, I
Yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah. I
Yeah,
don't really I don't like the programming language, but I think it was optimized for matrices, matrix calculation, I guess, matrix calculation. Yeah, so it's kind of like that. Hmm.
yeah. It was
So what tire are you thinking?
now. Okay, okay. Talking about the concept, I think it
Hmm?
is it is B. For the
I
concept, all
see.
right. But for the assignments, it was A. No, group assignments, it was A. Seriously, it was too
A.
hard. Yeah, group assignments for the
You mean the group assignment was
E
good for
I
you?
mean E.
Oh,
I mean
E.
E.
All
Oh
right.
yeah, why
Okay,
did I
E.
said E? I mean E. It is too hard
All
for
right.
the
That's
yeah
fine.
for the exam. Also, it was hard, and so yeah, because we are talking about the concept here, I think
Mm.
yeah, I think it is B. But do
Okay.
you know
I,
that
I hmm?
you know
Do you know what?
in in 90s 1980s or 1980s 1970s 70
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
that said that the most popular topic is
Courses,
yeah, numerical
numerical courses.
analysis back then. Like right now
Oh,
it is AI, right? The highest
yes.
topic in computer science. But
Uh,
actually in in 1980s it was numerical analysis, because back then computer was used for calculator, and when we
hmm.
use calculator we want to have so a good precision, yeah,
Yes. True.
even to like high degree of precision, and that's why
Hmm.
numerical analysis was so popular back then. And I think this is
Hmm.
why that there are so many hard problems in
In
group
there.
assignments. They took it from popular popular in
Perhaps,
yeah,
perhaps.
perhaps.
Well, I mean, AI basically numerical analysis too, right? With some kind of like you precise, like we try to make it precise, approximate a function too, right? If you
Yeah,
learn about it,
but
but
actually isn't it more like linear algebra and calculus? But Python's also
more like calculus, right? Calculus
yeah,
and
calculus.
let's say just numerical analysis and calculus have a child. That's AI, perhaps. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, you're
Yeah.
right.
Okay. Next, what is it?
Wait. I'm going to
Okay, what do you want to?
increase. I want to
Okay,
extend it
hold
first.
on. I got called someone. I got some called by somebody.
All right, no
Just wait
problem.
a second.
All right. Okay, guys. So, wow, the next one is artificial intelligence and basic data science. So, for me, this course was, you know what? It is like input output courses, like you get a function, wait, why is it like this? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
So
I'm back. Next one.
for this artificial
And
intelligence,
I'm going what I'm going to
yeah,
say.
you're going to put it on S, right?
Yeah, that's well,
But
at least A. I
yeah,
guess not F.
actually it was. For me, it was
For
like
you?
magic, not magic, but black box. We just get ourselves function here,
Oh,
function,
yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
then we got the output. We only learned about that, like, of course we
Yeah,
got
okay.
taught about
Uh,
the some like decision tree, how does it work, but
mm.
like SVM, I have learned it from YouTube, and I'm sure I don't get thoughts about that. Yeah, I'm
Mm.
quite sure about that. I mean, we use um I don't know, like rank function in SVM, and also like I don't know. That was so hard.
Is it hard for you, or is it hard the course, or no?
Okay, so for the concept, it was too abstract for me. I mean,
Ah, I see.
not so abstract. It was too black box to me. Like, we only have to function. We know how
Mm-mm.
why we use it, and the
Oh,
consequences, and then we apply it, and boom, done. The
okay, done.
tutorial is done. And
Well, I mean, okay. Go on then. Sorry, I want to. Mm,
AI and
uh,
data
okay.
science.
Actually,
So
it's because perhaps only because you see when you learn the concept. I mean, you go in depth in detail, but in implementation, I don't. It's kind of harsh if you put it from scratch. You see, because that's why you use libraries in there.
yeah, I know it's practical.
Mm,
We
yes,
have to
right.
be
The only way
practical
to.
parts, right? Yeah,
Mm,
but still, at least I don't know. I cannot put it on A. I guess for me
okay.
it is B for me.
I mean, if you
Yeah.
don't, I mean, not everybody wants to eat in AI, so yeah, I guess I can understand that.
But I think I'm going to be an on AI, since
Oh yeah.
yeah, my doctoral degree is AI actually. So I'm learning
Okay,
AI
fine
right
by me.
now. Back
All right.
propagation, or what back propagation? Do you understand what back propagation, Ren?
I know. It's about checking. First of all, the most easiest explanation would be you checking the result of your neural network with the actual ground truth, and then every single neuron in layer is going to be adjusted using backpropagation.
Using gradient descent.
Using, well, gradient descent,
Oh
one
yeah,
of the ways. There are
yeah.
many types of how to do it, but
Oh
yeah,
yeah,
you
back
use gradient descent.
propagation. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. I
So
understand.
from the very output layer it just, and then the second layer before output layer, and then the third layer before output layer, etc., and it just it until the very first layer on your neural network. So that's how it works.
Oh, I see. I see. I
Mm.
understand. Yeah.
They are depth in detail, but
Convolution. Do you understand what the convolution? I don't know what is it.
convolution neural network
Ah, yeah,
is
convolution.
usually on image. So basically, since image is used pixel, and pixel have their kind of relationship with other pixel, we cannot treat pixel as just independently. We have to take it some uh so yeah, so pixel have their relationship with other pixel, right? For example,
Okay, okay,
an
okay.
age,
Yeah, yeah.
etc. So yeah,
Okay.
so you don't.
Where,
Hmm?
did you learn it on image processing course, or did you learn it by
Image
yourself?
processing course.
But you still remember the concept in that course, like
Yeah, of course
convolution?
I remember.
Oh my
What
god, I have no
do you
idea,
not
man.
remember?
It's like it's basically using library too, in image processing course.
But they explain it, like
Yeah,
how
I know,
there
but
are three, like basically 20 260 56 times 256 and three types of
oh
color, etc. And you didn't know about that, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
At
But
least.
you really still can talk about the concept right now. Oh
Yes.
my god, you still
Maybe not that deep, but I guess the basics perhaps, yes.
okay, okay. Nice for you, Ren.
Okay,
I have
okay.
to learn myself.
Okay, next one. Sorry about
Oh,
that.
design and analysis algorithm.
All right.
For this
What
one,
about you? Is this good for
actually,
you?
you know, the
It
first part
depends
is
on the
hard,
lecture.
but the big O notation
Hmm?
parts, it was hard for me.
Hmm?
Yeah, it was hard, but uh, and for quick short parts is also hard. The proof of the
Ah, yeah, the
optimization
proof.
problem, it
Hmm?
was hard. And then there was like NP and NP problem, right? In the end of the
Yes.
part.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was, it was cool, but I kind of forget what's the problem back then. Yeah, but anyway, and
NP
also there is
completeness,
this like
etc.
back backtracking and dynamic
Yeah, yeah,
programming.
dynamic programming.
Yeah, it is about the analysis and design, right? Not actually the
Correct.
coding. We don't code
Mm.
at all. Yeah,
Yes, you don't code at all. Mm.
yeah.
Well, if you want some concept, we first learn about how to check if the algorithm is correct. You learn about the
Oh yeah,
correctness in there. Mhm.
correctness, right?
And then you learn about the how the computational like speed, like big ON in there.
Yeah,
How the full description. So we just not learn a big O. We learn about small O and omega, etc. Lower bound, upper bound, etc.
yeah,
And lastly, we do learn about backtracking, sorting algorithm like quicksort and uh, heap sort, and then we learn to prove about complete NP NP and
PNNP
NP
problem.
completeness. Yeah, I remember about that. Yeah, it was
Uh,
fun concept, I guess, in
all
design
right.
analysis algorithm.
So for me,
What do
I
you think?
guess
What's tired?
I'll put it on A. Yeah,
Okay,
or
all
B
right.
or B. I
You
don't know. I
see,
don't know.
I really like the core. I really like the concept, but unfortunately, I have a not so good lecturer.
Oh, I see. All
I hope
right.
you know what I mean.
All right. All right. All right. Okay. So that's why it it didn't fun. It didn't as fun as you thought
Yeah,
it would be.
yeah, yes.
Oh, I see. I see.
Do you know
Design.
who what I'm
Yeah,
talking
yeah.
about?
I know. I know. I know. I know. You have told me before.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, all right. So go on. I'm gonna let you put the tire because if I do, it would be make sense.
All right.
Because
So
the
I
only
guess it is on
A.
A. I guess. Yeah. I kind of like the concept here. Yeah.
I mean,
So
how's it that different than TBA?
I mean, TBA.
It's
I
not that.
guess
Hmm?
uh it was so hard for me to understand why this concept is useful. Like why is finite state machine
Oh.
useful? Why Turing machine
Ah,
useful?
I
You
see.
can
Yeah,
use
yeah, yeah.
real
Because
algorithm
mm.
like looping or conditional branching or whatever, but Turing
All
machine,
right.
well, no, no, man. Like,
Okay, okay.
why should we use
Okay, now
one?
I understand.
Yeah,
So, this is okay. I think I understand. You try no. This is more practical purpose, right?
yeah,
In
for
analysis
practical
design.
purpose. I have no idea how
Okay.
this one would benefits me.
Yeah, yeah. You never use it. Okay. All right. Next one.
Next one. Oh, computer networks. You know what?
Oh no. Okay.
What? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Why?
I know you like it because that's the course that
Yeah.
you are specialized for, right? I don't really like it.
What? Well, yeah. It's. I guess it is different. Like anom or
Yeah. I don't remember the concept in there. I still remember the only thing that I remember, that we use Amazon Web Service and GCP. That's the only thing that I know,
okay.
and that's the only thing that I learned.
Okay, in the midterm, do you use hands-on exam?
Yeah, yeah, I remember hands-on exam, but I
Yeah.
don't remember the contents. I
Can
think
you
we just use.
what?
I think we just use some kind of remote access, I guess.
Yeah.
and
That's right.
packet tracer and etc. I don't remember exact what we use. I don't even know. Okay. I remember the TCP and
UDP.
UDP. Yeah, I remember that, but I don't find it very
That's
useful for
too
me.
low
Why we
level,
learn?
it's too low
Yeah, to
level,
low
right?
level. Like
Actually, we
why
are
we
talking
learn
about
about this?
protocol, in
It
here.
doesn't make sense in my website. I don't use it on my website. I don't need to learn this. Sorry, it's like you saying on TBA, which I do it, but yeah, I don't find it very useful for me.
All right, all right.
So what is it
So
for you? What
for
type is
me,
it? Yeah,
actually, yeah. I guess for the concept, yeah, actually it's too low level and
yeah.
not really practical, especially for the post midterm parts.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. No, no, no. Actually, no, no. Yes, yes.
Is
For before midterm, actually, we are
mm,
start with high level. We start with high level, and then we are going
mm?
lower level, lower level, lower level, lower level. Yeah, I remember that. And that's why do you know
Okay.
socket programming in the back then?
What
Socket pro
program?
socket
Oh,
programming.
socket program. Yeah, yeah. I remember.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
remember, right? We have three instances using
yeah, yeah, yeah.
master slave architecture. Yeah,
Okay, I
it's
don't
still,
remember the master slave, but yeah, I remember socket.
yeah, it's
Instance, I remember.
yeah, instance, yes. And yeah, it starts with
Encryption, I remember about that too.
for the end screenshot. Yeah, yeah. So I
Mm.
guess now that I think about it, I don't think for the concept. Actually, for the assignments, it was quite fun for me because we use Cisco packet simulation and also uh, GCP or whatever
Yeah,
packet tracer,
iOS,
Wireshark. But for
AWS.
the concept, actually, it was B to me. Assignments
Okay, right.
fun, but the concept not as fun as the assignments. Yeah, I think I really love the assignments, but the concept I think it
Okay.
is B. How about you, Ren?
All right.
You put it on C?
Well, yeah, perhaps. So you see, assignment was not fun for me, but I
What
got
really?
help by my other friend. Yeah, I mean, well, I mean, it is good. Not bad enough. Because you see, you just have to follow rules, right? They're step by step assignment, right?
Wait, what?
It's not
Yes.
that. Yeah, like it's not that hard. But sorry, it is hard for me because I kind of confused sometimes about it. But I have friends. So basically, what I mean is, I used to work together and their assignments, so I could kind of help each other in one yeah, one assignment, so one question and another question, so yeah, it's possible. But the concept, yeah, back again, I don't find it very useful for me. The only thing that useful is now I know how to use GCP, how GCP works and AWS works. That's the only thing that I learned in that
All
course.
right, all right, all right,
So so maximum is going to be B. I'm not going to put it in A. At least B or C.
all right. Okay, I might be biased since I got a good score on that course.
Yeah, 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 I know. Yeah.
Same
I
with
got
what? What?
yeah, I got B2
Oh,
in the
oh,
score. Yeah, last one.
all right, all
So
right, all
so what
right.
what what tire are you going to put it?
Well, I've put it on B, but
Okay,
if we are
that's
talking
fair.
about assignment, it might be A. All right, for the software engineering, I think
I really like that
what you really like that?
course.
Yeah, actually, it is useful.
Sorry.
No, no, it's not
Okay.
project
Oh, not
software
PPL. Oh
engineering.
shit. Okay.
It's just software
Well,
engineering.
okay, it's different. Okay, all right. Uh, I still sorry. I don't really remember what kind of course in there. So try
What
me.
you don't really remember? It is about diagram and then
Yeah. I remember about. Oh my
it
god.
is useful, it's going to be useful if you are going for um startup consultant
Oh my
company.
god.
It will be
It's
useful.
so.
It's
It's
like
not.
what?
It's
it's not important, right? Like
Holy,
what why do you see
we
diagram?
only
But
do documentation in there.
yeah, but actually it is really important if you want to talk to your clients when you want to
Mm.
explain like diagram flow, and then
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, so on,
yeah.
so on, and so on. It's very very important if you like UML diagram. Yeah, I've tried it.
Yes, yes.
It's actually very important.
Uh,
If you are working on team, you become the lead of the team, and yeah, that's what you're maybe what you're gonna do,
oh, I
documentation and stuff.
remember. I remember. Yeah, yeah, I remember. Okay. So you did some kind of make some application, right? Like you
Yeah,
propose
we
some
make,
application, right?
yeah, but
Uh,
in the later part of the course, it is too low level, like even diagram,
uh,
timing
okay.
diagram. I don't know what it is. We don't
UCS,
need it.
UCS, use sketch diagram. I remember. I
Sketch
remember.
diagram, yeah, it is.
Uh,
Yeah, it's still not really that bad, but the later
okay.
part about even diagram, I don't
Hmm.
know. So I
Okay,
think
I
it
gotta
is.
ask this. I gotta ask this beforehand. What topics, what kind of application did you make in this whole documentation in this course?
So I make about job post application, I guess. Job
Oh, I
post.
see. Okay.
Okay, then actually it is going to be Asha right now. So let's make it
Okay,
fast,
okay.
alright?
So let's
So
continue.
I'm going to put it on A, I guess. Yeah, since it's
All
quite
right.
useful. Okay. So
Hey, it's fine.
okay, project
Like just
software engineering. This one is quite not
okay.
boring, but so much free
Boring.
time, so much free time, so many free
Free
time.
time.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
are you talking about?
It was, yeah, so many free
There was
time.
no free time for me. It
No,
was hard as
it was so
hell.
easy, it's like crude application. CRUD
Oh, yeah, I
application,
know. It's the
not really
fun.
hard stuff. I'm just copy pasting it from my friends,
Yeah,
and I
yeah.
got A some
I,
all
I
for 6 SKS.
I work hard for that A
Oh,
in that project.
it was very
Do you know
easy.
what I do? Do you know what I built in that course? I built as an AI tracking system for
Oh my
shift in the
god.
whole Indonesian.
Oh my, you sick man.
God damn it. I thought it was fun, right? It was a government project. It was Lapan. It was Lembaga Antariksa Pemerintah Indonesia. I thought it was some kind of like simple stuff. Not simple stuff. It is AI. I thought it was hard, but not that kind of hard. But suddenly we use a full stack of AI and stuff. Is very very. It's crazy, man. It's in real time too.
Real time. Oh my god, that's
Yes.
so unimaginable for me.
It used database, but not just a simple database. It's data warehouse.
Oh, I have no idea what is data
God
warehouse.
damn, like, oh man, this was so hard. It was so bad. it
Well,
was,
luckily
it
for me,
was.
don't take industry,
Yeah,
man. Don't
you
take industry. Just take open
don't take
source.
industry.
Don't take industry. Just take open source
I take
and take
industry.
research from anywhere. Just don't take industry. It will
Yeah,
be
yeah,
very hard. But
yeah.
anyway,
I take
I'm going to.
industry, and I got that. Yeah. Hey, how do you
Oh,
say?
it was
Oh, you
B
want to
for me.
get
To
B?
be honest, B. It
No.
was
All
quite
right, fine.
just my friend is
Wow.
very 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 useful for me in this course, and they got
All
carried me. I
right.
just copy pasting it. Oh, last one is, yeah, this one, right?
Last one.
Now
All right.
computer
What
and
do you think about
society.
it? We are the
Yeah,
same
we
group.
met
We are the
again in
same
this
course. We
in
are.
this course. We met again, and then yeah, luckily we got one group, right? In this
Yes,
course,
we
like
are the
everything
same.
is random,
I
but
think you,
we got in one group.
what do you think about it?
I think it will be. I cannot put it on S actually, but
Yeah, I
for
got
the
it.
concept, it was like yeah, it's like that. But the teacher is what make it fun, What make it,
Yeah,
yeah. The teacher was,
yeah, that's true. That's
yeah,
true.
that so honestly, for the concept, I can only put it on B. But
The
if we include the teacher, maybe I can put it on
is
S.
A. You know, yeah, yeah, that's true. I don't understand why people don't not very much like don't really like the lecturer. I think he is amazing at what
Yeah,
he's
it's
doing. Like,
amazing actually.
uh, yeah,
Honestly,
especially and honestly, I don't understand.
okay. I think that's all, Ren. I guess
Yeah,
this
it's
it's already
already
Asha right now.
Asha right now. So all right. Since we already done with tire, it was amazing. Can you like copy that image and like put it on a link, so maybe that people could see what the end result. But next
Yeah, I
one.
know. Just put it
Okay.
on a link. Fine, fine. I get it.
Okay. And okay. So we have already done it. We have answer going with. So we're going to stop right now. Thank you everyone for watching this tireless maker from part one to part two. Joining us, and thank you Adil for making this. This is fun, etc. And this is okay. That's it for us. See you in the next week. Thank you. Bye bye all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi